Hi children, welcome back. In the previous class, we had discussed about the regular polygons. Today, we are going to do the exercise questions in your textbook, page number 58. First question, draw a hexagon of equal sides and unequal angles. So here in the question, it is given that we have to draw a hexagon with equal sides. Draw a line AB and ED of equal length, 5 cm each. Next, using a compass, measure 5 cm in the ruler and then draw two arcs of radius equal to AB with the center B and D to meet at C. Like this, in the other side also, draw two other angles with the same radius fixing center at A and E to meet at F. Join BC, CD, EF and AF to complete the hexagon. In hexagon ABCDEF, sides are equal and angles are unequal. Second question, draw a hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. So here, hexagon is given. First, we can find the sum of the angles of a hexagon. Sum of the angles of a hexagon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Hexagon has 6 sides, that is 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 180 degree is equal to 720 degree. Here the sum of the angle is 720 degree. In the question, it is given that draw a hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. We got the sum of the angles of a hexagon as 720 degree. Hexagon has 6 sides, so the measure of each angle is equal to 720 degree divided by 6. 720 divided by 6 is 120 degree. That is, for an hexagon, each angle measurement is 120 degree. Let us draw a hexagon using this measurement. Draw AB using any measures. Measure angle A 120 degree and mark F at any point on the line and draw an angle equal to 120 degree at B and mark it as C. Draw a line parallel to AF through C and a line parallel to BC through F. Place the protractor at the point C and mark the angle 120 degree and join the line and then again place the protractor at the point F and measure the angle 120 degree and also join the line. Then place the protractor at the point D and mark the angle 120 degree and join the line. Now we got the hexagon of equal angles and unequal sides. Third question, how much is each angle of a 15 sides regular polygon and how much is each outer angle? The number of sides given in the question is 50. So let's find the sum of the angles. Sum of the angles is equal to 15 minus 2 into 180 degree. 15 minus 2 is 13. 13 into 180 degree. 13 into 180 is 2340 degree. Now we can find the measure of one angle. Measure of one angle is equal to 2340 divided by number of sides. Number of side is 15. 2340 divided by 15 is equal to 156 degree. So measure of one angle is 156. Then measure of an outer angle is equal to 180 minus 156. 180 minus 156 is 24 degree. We can find the outer angle in another way also, that is 360 divided by 15, which is equal to 24 degree. Fourth question, one angle of a regular polygon is 168 degree. How many sides does it have? Here we can use two methods to solve this problem. The first method is, suppose the number of sides of the regular polygon be n, then sum of angles is equal to n into 168. Sum of angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, that is equal to n into 168, that is 168 n. N into 180 is 180 n minus 2 into 180 is 360, which is equal to 168 n. Let's bring the n's together, that is 180 n minus 168 n is equal to 360. 180 minus 168 is 12 n, which is equal to 360. Next we can find the n. N is equal to 360 divided by 12. 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30. Therefore, the number of sides is equal to 30. Another method, one inner angle is equal to 168. Then one outer angle is equal to 180 minus 168, that is equal to 12 degree. Now we can find the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 12, that is equal to 30. Next question, can we draw a regular polygon with each outer angle 6 degree and 7 degree? If one outer angle be 6 degree, then the number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 6, that is equal to 60. This is a whole number, that is 360 is the multiple of 6. Therefore, we can draw a regular polygon with each outer angle 6 degree. Then what about 7 degree? Can we draw a regular polygon with each outer angle 7 degree? Let's find out that. Divide 360 by 7. 360 by 7 is equal to 51.42. That is, 360 is not a multiple of 7 degree. So, we cannot draw a regular polygon with each angle 7 degree. Okay children, we can do the rest of the questions in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.